Hello and welcome back to another video where we are reviewing the all-new Altroz iTurbo petrol variant. So the first major addition or the first major change which you can see is under the hood. It's the all-new 3-cylinder turbo petrol unit that was missing with the Altroz. So this one produces 110 bhp of power and 140 Newton meters of torque. So you can see here there is insulation and this is how the key looks. From exteriors the vehicle has not changed much apart from this new paint shade option which gets a dual tone paint scheme. And moving to the side, you will notice that you will be getting 16-inch wheels that get 195 by 55 rubbers on it. And apart from that, on the exteriors the vehicle has not changed much. The only place where you can notice that this vehicle is special is at the rear. Here you get the iTurbo petrol badging to make it stand out from the regular version. So the major thing which has changed is on the interiors. So let me just show it to you. So as you can see here, the door opens 90 degrees, and what is changed is that you will be getting the dual tone scheme for the door pads. You get the beige and black combination here, and there is the silver treatment for the door handles. As you have seen with the regular version of the Altroz, you get the all 4 power windows, and since this is the top end variant, you also get the leather seats which was missing previously. So this one here is XZ Plus variant. So let us step into the cabin and let's see what the vehicle has to offer. So here you get the push button start. Another major addition is the all new Aira connected car technology. Here you also get a 7-inch display that shows all the vital information and which is also found with the regular version of the Altroz. So coming to the music system, it's the Harman music system and it's a 7-inch unit again. You get the ambient lighting all around, and even on the interiors you can see the dual tone treatment continuing here as well. You get nice texture for the upper half of the dashboard and even this silver kind of treatment at the middle. Lower down you get some hard plastics, but the quality is excellent. But what's missing is that you won't be getting the auto dimming IRVM. So speaking about the steering wheel itself, you get the cruise control functions on the right and the audio functions on the left. So speaking about the adjustments, so you can adjust it for height, but it's not adjustable for reach. So that's one thing to note. And another feature which has been added with this top end variant is that now it also gets an express cooling function.
Cooling on.
So that's the announcement which the vehicle makes if you turn on the express cooling function.
Express cooling off. Normal cooling mode on.
Okay. So here you get a 12-volt socket and a USB port. Also get this ambient lighting here as well. And there is a large tray here where you can keep your mobile as well as your wallets. You also get a small cup holders, and now the armrest do get the leather finishing to it. You can slide it back and forward, and let me just try to open this. Yeah, it's a magnetic one. It's a small one, but nonetheless it will do all the job for you. And let me just show the glove box to you. Here is the button. It's really massive in size. So speaking about the music system, you have a 7-inch unit that gets Aira as standard for this top end variant. So apart from that, not much has changed, and you also get this extra button where you can turn on the sports mode.
Sport drive mode activated.
So before the vehicle had this button, but the only thing was it used to change between city and also economy mode. But now with this button you can control city mode,
drive mode activated,
and also the sports mode.
Sport drive mode activated.
So let me just show the rear seats once. Even at the rear, you will find the black leather seats here. And let me just get inside the cabin. So as you can see at the rear seats, you get a dedicated AC vent and also a 12-volt socket. The floor is completely flat, making it very much easy for the middle person to sit. So this is how the front dashboard looks from the rear seat. You still won't get a sunroof, but you do get a rear armrest, which can be pulled down, but there is no cup holder inside it. You get 2 adjustable headrests and also a grab handle and a hook on both the sides. Again, you will also find the black and beige combination for the door pads, which frankly speaking I have been liking so far, because the all black treatment with the normal version of the Altroz will give you a little bit of a cramped feeling inside, but with the beige treatment you will also get a sense of airiness inside the cabin. So as you can see, the legroom is really great. Even the under thigh support is also good, and even the headroom for a 6-foot tall passenger is really good. So you also get door pockets which can house a 1-liter water bottle easily. And at last, let me just show the boot to you. So as you can see here, you get a massive boot. You also get a parcel tray, and there is this grab handle to close the doors. We have already done the review of the XM Plus variant, where I have explained all the design elements in detail, which you can check out by clicking on the I button at the top right corner of your screen right now. So speaking about the price of the Altroz iTurbo petrol variant, the vehicle is offered in 3 different trim levels, namely the XT, XZ and the top of the line XZ Plus variant. While the XT variant is offered at 7.73 lakhs ex-showroom, the top of the line XZ Plus variant is offered at 8.85 lakhs ex-showroom. The company has even introduced this XZ Plus variant with the regular naturally aspirated petrol engine as well as the diesel engine option, which is priced at 8.25 lakhs and 9.45 lakhs respectively. So after watching this review, if you are interested in checking out this vehicle and booking one of them and you are a resident of Bangalore, then you can definitely head to Adishakti Cars, where they have this vehicle on display, and soon the vehicle is going to be available for test drive as well. The contact details are mentioned on your screen right now, and even the same can be found in the description box. Thank you so much for tuning into another video, and we'll see you in the next one.